Hi guys, check out this cool smart text indentation in Figma. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button right there. It goes a long way helping the channel. Okay, let's get right into it. Select the text tool and type out any name. Next, select the text and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K to turn it into a component. Rename the component to username or whatever you want. Select the text tool again and input the first letter of the username component. Apply auto layout by pressing Shift A, then change the color. Change the constraints to fixed width and fixed height, and also set the width and height to 44 pixels. Set a border radius of 44 pixels. At the auto layout panel, position the content in the middle, and while you are at it, change the text color to white. Rename frame 1 to avatar. Now for the most important step, copy an instance of the username component. Select the letter in the avatar frame and delete it. Next, select the avatar frame and paste the instance of the username component. Double-click into the instance of your username component. Change the fill color of the text to white. With the text still selected, increase the letter spacing to 200%. Select your avatar frame and inside the auto layout panel, position it to the left. Increase the left padding to position the letter or content in the center. Select the avatar and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K to change it into a component. Now let's use the component in our design. Go to Resources and select Components. Select the avatar component to include in your design and repeat the process to include username components. Select both components, align them and apply auto layout with Shift A. Now the moment of truth. As you can see, when I change the username of the main component, it affects the avatar instance. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Bye.